Wait, I'm a mod. Oh.
Are you ready to chat it up, Mason says? Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Are you ready? What's up, chat? Welcome to the stream. I guess I should have warned you guys were. We started, we opened the chat up.
Wait, just restart. 3, 2, 1. Okay, good.
Start the whole stream over.
Y'all ready to chat?
Okay, there we go. I heard my own
10
voice.
times louder than my voice.
I heard my own too. I had to mute it so fast.
I was like, wait. Okay.
So, how's everyone doing? I haven't talked to you since last night. What's going on?
Pretty good.
True. That's true.
What's true?
Talked to you since the last time we were live.
That is true.
I'm feeling pretty good today.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, I saw your sleeping pod was on Do Not Disturb, so I decided not to.
My what?
Your sleeping pod?
Oh yeah.
So ours
Yeah,
all
no,
lined up.
Yeah, good thing.
Yeah,
It's a good thing we synced them up. So
I
nobody
sent out the
disturbs each other.
distress signal so I'd be picked up. Because I just
And
knew if I
nothing
pressed the
happened?
button, somebody would show up and save me.
I didn't get the signal. Otherwise, I would have.
Anyways.
What? No, dude. Like, if you want to talk about it.
Well, no, they did show up, but then they killed me. But I still.
Oh, are you talking about Roblox?
I'm talking about Interstellar.
Oh, okay.
Do not go gently into that dark night.
I'm so lost.
Yeah, I actually just fucked it up for everybody because I needed it.
Okay.
I didn't know the docking procedure.
Dude.
Okay.
Dude, don't
It's
spoil
not easy.
Interstellar! It's like a
Like
tournament.
I'm
Matt
being
Damon
spoiled.
didn't
I'm-
have to lie. Can we
I'm
be
s-
real?
I'm being spoiled for a movie I've seen already.
Dude,
forget
Interstellar
everything.
might be my favorite movie of all time.
I cried
I cried like 5,
like 3 times.
yeah, it's hard not to, man.
I went with my dad and I was like, I'm 13 and this is deep. That's
Dude,
what happened.
yeah.
That was the experience for me.
Was your dad tearing up?
My dad was like, that was the greatest movie I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, man, it's so
Well,
good.
he hasn't seen The Shawshank Redemption or Barbie.
No, he has. He's seen it.
No, actually,
He hasn't
I
seen
think
Barbie.
Barbie might be the best movie of all time, honestly.
But I do think Interstellar is, I don't know. It's a nice.
Has he seen Two Girls, One Cup, and he says that still?
Yeah, wow.
Two Broke Girls.
I don't know.
Wait,
I
what's
should
that?
ask
What's
him.
that?
Broke Girls.
What's that? Is that what that show's called?
That show is awesome.
That is a show that exists.
That's one of the shows of all time.
I like that show actually.
Yeah, that's a show of all time.
Up there with How I Met Your Mother.
Mhm.
Actually, good show. That show had me crying, and I only watched 1 episode.
Oh, that's the one with Neil Patrick Harris, right?
Yeah, The Man with the Muppet.
I was thinking of
Let's not talk about the
I was-
party Neil Patrick Harris had back in the day, though.
I was thinking of 2.5 Men.
Yeah.
Nobody.
You're
likes
thinking of
Neil
Charlie
Patrick.
Sheen.
Yeah, that's
the-
what I was thinking of.
He was winning though. I don't know what that means.
Winning. Yeah, what? I never understood that one.
I never understood it.
Yeah,
either.
We
because
never
we were-
watched it.
We were 11 when
We
that
never
came
watched it.
out.
We just said it because we thought it was funny.
My dad was him for Halloween, and he explained the joke to me, and my 15-year-old brain was just like, yeah, I don't get it. That costume wrecked at the Old Head convention though. People loved his costume.
That's great.
Well, everybody,
Man.
let's
Do you have your microscope ready or what?
I do. I have my microscope ready. I unfortunately have one thing sampled right now, but I can get something whipped up in like a minute each time. So we'll just do a little break in between and jam out.
Okay.
But so everyone
Do
today,
you want to put my Roblox gameplay up in picture on like the corner of the screen?
that'd be really
We'll
funny.
see.
If you don't want to, we don't have to.
No, I think we
Let's-
should. I think we should try and.
I think we should start with just the microscope.
Okay.
And I think we should feel it out.
We'll fill out the waters. We'll see if it's easy to do that. Because if it is,
I
you can
don't.
start-
I don't want to be like a little attention Andy. Like, oh, can you put my gameplay up, dude?
No, but it's
No,
like
no,
how
no.
it's like how you get it's how you keep people's attention. Like I can't watch Subway Surfers, so this is educational. Okay, so everyone, I'm gonna share my monitor too here.
Class is in session.
Class is in session, everybody. So we're gonna no music is allowed during class. Actually, you know what? Do you think we'll get doxxed if we play DM Dokuro?
Did you just say docs?
I mean, not doxxed. Do you think we'll get
POS?
copyright strike?
You just have to delete the VOD.
We're not deleting the VOD. Okay, fine.
Yeah, I mean, very least it'll get blocked.
Fine, we're not doing that.
You're,
Or at
you're
the
gonna get the
worst,
whole
it'll get
stream
blocked.
muted. Then again, who's rewatching the biology stream?
Hey!
Well, the
Wait,
first
what
biology
is a
stream.
playlist we can have in the background to like listen to during this
Just
thing?
look up royalty-free lo-fi or something.
What about this stuff right here, like assorted vaporwave? Do you think that'll be copyright striked?
No,
I
mean-
Probably not.
I would maybe check the description first, but
Is it like a?
yeah, I don't know how vaporwave artists are. Like, do they care?
it's not even about like I think 80 to 90% of the people who make music and put it on the internet don't like. Obviously, they care. Like some people are like, please please credit me if you use my music, but like they're not gonna like obliterate you like like these record companies are.
Yeah, I feel like it's the darn corporations that actually ruin
Yeah,
it.
they just have so much more power.
Does DM Dokuro have a record company?
I mean, and that's what's messed up also. DM Dokuro might not have a record company, but someone can claim that they are a record company and like block that music also, which is crazy. Is DM what does he do?
All right, well, everyone, here's our image here of our.
He's the Calamity guy, right?
Yeah.
Or does he have like
He's
other
a Calamity.
stuff?
He has other stuff. He doesn't just do Calamity. I think he actually quit Calamity because he like didn't like it anymore. It was like the fan base was like super toxic,
Look at all his music.
which is not surprising at all. But anyways,
Him, and
so guys, in today's first lesson, we're doing a little bit of bug biology. Watch your eyes. I should have warned you before. Sorry. And darkness and whiteness and redness. So we're trying to get a good view of this bug that I kind of like. Okay, so for context, I would never harm an animal. This insect was, I found him drowned in a body of water, like a little puddle.
No.
I picked him up, and I was like, wait, biology stream. It's like as
does
if-
he have cells that we can?
He does have cells, and earlier when I was looking at him before I had to leave real quick to engage in some sport, I found some. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I kind of squashed him on accident a little bit. I didn't
Oh my
mean to.
gosh.
Why would you admit that on stream?
I didn't
Have
mean
you-
to.
Have you identified this creature?
No, I haven't. It's really hard. We can get a little good look at the cell matter that we squished out of the insect.
Okay.
For example, I think we got a good view coming into focus right here.
Wait, are you able to stream on Discord?
Oh, right.
Just
So
let
we
me
can
know,
have
let me
a
know if you
little
need a hand.
There we go.
So we got some matter here
Oh
from
wow,
the
look at
squished
that.
insect. I'm gonna look at these bigger, if these are cells. I don't think these. This might just be like a big clump of cell tissue.
Some kind of eukaryotes or something.
Yeah,
don't
some sort of. Well, we're gonna look at. Well, the bug isn't even the coolest part. We'll look at some really cool, not microbes or bugs, but they're more or less they're called protists, aka single-celled eukaryotes. You guys probably learned about those in 5th grade biology. So
Wait, they're eukaryotes?
protists are not these right here, but the things we're gonna be looking at are single-celled eukaryotes called protists. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know there were single-celled eukaryotes.
It's very interesting stuff, guys.
That is interesting, actually.
So I don't.
Whoa, that was a good.
Did I get a good focus there? I can't tell.
It was for a second, and then it got dark. Yeah, like right.
See, that's kind of we can.
I don't know.
We can.
be
Let's
honest,
get a better look on a little higher definition, but we can also change up the image if we want to give it a little negative, so we can.
Oh, wow.
Pin out what we got here. Let's.
Oh, wow.
Can you add like a bump map? Is that a bump
let's
map
zoom in as
filter?
much as we can. Watch your eyes.
By the way, you are just you're sharing your whole desktop, Justin on stream. I don't know if you want to do that, but I'm just. letting
That's
you know.
true. Maybe I.
I'm just putting it out there.
No, you're right. Maybe I should do
There's
this.
only 4 viewers, but either way.
How will this look here? Window capture.
Yeah. The window capture would probably be the easiest.
So can you see that right there?
I can see on Discord. That sucks.
So I think it should be cropped. But it looks like there's like a dark spot underneath. It's not
Okay,
like,
yeah, there is a little bit of like a black bar.
it's like
underneath.
cut off. Why is it cut off?
Oh, not sure.
Well,
You could resize it if you want to, but honestly, it's fine that way.
I think it's fine.
let's say when I resize it, the max it can go to is like right here without looking weird.
I think you could keep it as it is.
No, you're good.
Or you could center it, you know, so it's
Yeah,
a little more
center
even
it,
on
yeah.
each side. Yeah, there you go.
There we go. All right, so everyone, we're in. So we were just in 10 times. Now we're going into 40 times.
I can't wait.
Enhance.
Enhance. I say this is really like hard to look at because it's basically just a squished bug on a microscope here. So, or on a glass plate. And
Is it?
the bug is about to touch my microscope lens, so I have another idea. So, everyone, watch your eyes. Cover your
Did
eyes.
they do that in like a lecture?
No, I'm just messing with you.
Okay. I was gonna say like, do professors are they like?
They
watch
like
your
blind
eyes?
you. They like make you wear like VR goggles, and you're in the microscope, and they're like, "All right, watch your eyes." They blind you. So let's try and get a little bit of water on here, and we can squish the bug. He didn't die in vain. He got to get put on a wet ones stream. So I feel like
Yeah.
it's pretty badass.
More than most bugs.
More than
Yeah.
most
This
bugs.
is a lot more than we can say. Than most bugs can say.
This bug is one in a trillion.
Are you gonna Mr. Frog this bug? After
All right, guys.
Mr.
Streams over.
Frog.
stream's over.
Oh, guys, don't talk
Perhaps.
about that.
Okay, guys, if we get 5 subs during the stream, Justin's gonna eat the bug after.
I was kind of already playing it. You don't have to.
Give me, guys. We need 3 super chats, 3 $5 super chats.
All right, so here we're gonna take the glass lens because we have glass slides and you have your lenses. You guys used those back in the day. Remember those? The glass lenses, and we're just gonna give it a nice little smear, and we're gonna squish that bug as much as possible. And we're gonna use my fingernails to not get oils and fingertip prints on the actual
Oh, good call, actually.
image here.
Oh, nice.
So let's see what we can get here. Let's go back into our 4 times. We're gonna secure it down. So interesting stuff about insectology, insect biology here.
That is not what is it called?
It's what is it? I took an insect biology class. What is that called? It's called
Well, I remember you talking about it.
It was really interesting. Like it was actually a super interesting class, and
Entomology?
yeah, entomology. Yeah, I wish I would have kind of wish I would have like done the minor because you can do a minor in it. It's actually really interesting, but it really wouldn't have mixed well with could have mixed with what I ended up doing. So guys, for context, I originally
Wow.
was a wildlife and fisheries scientist major, and then I switched to more cellular biology studies and stuff like that. So here we got, I think those black beads, do you see that a lot when you're looking at stuff under the microscope? Oh wait, look at that. Do you see the thing moving right there? What is that?
Yeah, I do see that.
What is that? It's moving right here. Wait, can I like
I did
highlight
see
it?
that. What's that movement?
Oh,
It's
sorry
not a
guys.
movement.
Um,
Wait, are you saying this guy was infected and he didn't actually die from being squished? He died from natural causes?
It's
Something's
right-
still alive, man.
right around that area. How do I get rid of this?
I really feel like I'm in a lecture right now. This is funny.
How do I get, let me delete one of these circuits.
Are you trying to change the radii right now? It's the little red. Oh, you're trying to delete it?
I don't
Maybe
know.
the-
we don't need it.
Maybe the X or something? I don't know. There's some red X's on the right-hand side. I don't know.
Yeah, that's
Yep.
it. Thank you.
Oh, wow.
So right around
That's
here,
fancy.
I don't know if you guys see that, There was some movement around there. Let's try and figure out what's
Was it
going
just-
on.
Was it like just like the force of the plates, or
It could
do you
be the
think it was-
force of the plate moving the cells around, but I honestly, I don't think that's what that was. I don't
What
think
is this big, curvy line at the bottom?
Oh yeah, let's check that out. That might just. Oh, that looks like it might just be like some kind of bubble. Like yeah, it's a water bubble.
Perhaps.
Can you see how it's kind of like magnifying the stuff below it?
Yeah,
Like
it's
around
like a
that.
different shade.
Yeah, it's just.
also.
I think that's just a water bubble or something weird like that. Same with I think these like these really dark circles we see here are just some more
Yeah.
debris or water thing. I don't know. And that you see that moving liquid right there. That's just straight up water that we smeared on it. That's just moving around very slowly.
Okay.
If we do like see how I move around like shifts
Yeah.
and stuff.
That's very. That's
Um,
interesting.
See this
Move
right.
it around more often.
Let's take a look at this. Hold on. Whoa. What do we got over here? See, these are probably like some kind of organ. These like similar looking structures right here. I don't know what these are. What part of the insect they are. I think it might have to do. It could be. I think these low-key might be a reference to Terraria too. Because they do show a lot of. Okay, here's what I want to look at right here. Wait, no.
Didn't Relogic like tweet something like this too?
Yeah.
Yeah, they were like.
He said, "Look out for these protozoans."
Terraria 2 cells found within recent species. Discovered species. Recently discovered species.
I cannot.
That's
read
a
this.
good title actually.
I cannot get this to work.
Those-
It's so
Are
disorienting.
those the veins?
I don't know what these are.
He got a vein in it.
Does it
What?
have a vein in it?
We're gonna
That's what
pretend
I'm
these are the
wondering.
veins right here, guys.
Dude,
So-
this bug had a vein in it.
We're
I
gonna
almost wish
we're
like
gonna enhance. Watch your eyes.
I almost wish I did this just like I like obviously like you should take college seriously, but sometimes I wish I did this and I just had the nuts to be like, yo, is that a vein? Like like yo, professor, is that a vein? Like what is that?
We're gonna increase
I
the
guess-
light.
I guess there's room for conversations like that
With your
in
teacher?
class.
Did Mike
Get the fentanyl on demon time, my boy. What's this guy saying?
Like when you're 21, which we are, our teacher like they will talk about like going to the bar with you and stuff. It's not weird.
Yeah.
Like, they talk about it with me, and I was like, oh,
Well, I'm just
I guess.
I mean, yeah. What is this? So we're getting an even better look now.
So we're getting an even closer look in 40 times here, folks. Guy Sanders, welcome to the biology stream. I saw you swiped up on our community. We weren't lying. I was just late to the party. I apologize.
Wait.
He had to go out and play with his son.
I did.
Yeah. Taking care of his son.
So I'm wondering if I can go a little bit further in. I just don't want to break my lens here. Oh! We got a better
Oh,
image
oh.
of what is this? Whoa!
Whoa!
Holy crap!
Like
It's
clockwork.
the quantum realm.
Like clockwork was.
So guys,
Bro's hitting the quantum mania.
we might have found the quantum realm from Ant-Man. This
Well,
the
okay.
FX in this look better though than the. So we can kind of like negative scale it, give it a nice little view. See, they're moving in uniform. What is this little thing right up here though?
Is this water? Are we still looking at
I
water?
think-
Just
I think-
triple checking here.
This kind of looks like Spore.
I was gonna say Spore
It
has
really
entered
does.
the
I
chat.
think this just is Spore, the game. So we got a
Yeah,
little
Spore
creature
cell-
right here.
cell stage.
Let me instead of doing a
We're in
circle.
cell
'cause
stage.
The circle takes up a lot of room. Let's give it a little line to like give it a little measurement. Look at that length. We got a 25 micrometer. No, that's a nano. Wait, yeah, that's a nano. Wait, no, that's micro.
Take your time. Is UM something?
Yeah, is
that micro?
micrometers. Dang. 'Cause
Yeah, we already
nanometers is
have
nm.
MM, so yeah.
Millimeters is mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, this is micro. This is a little micrometer. I have no clue what these. I think these are just cell masses. So I think, guys, we're gonna upgrade from this level of spore. So yeah, this is spore cell stage. We need to upgrade to like the multi-use single cell stage. So
Are we going deeper?
we're gonna try and go a little bit deeper. See, wait,
I'll
hold
be
on.
back, gentlemen.
All right,
Okay.
we can try and look a little bit deeper, but I don't wanna smear this.
It's a very gentle process.
It is a very gentle process. We have. It's very. See this. If you guys won't hold it against me, I have a very. It's a very simplistic setup here to view
I was gonna
our
say,
spore creatures. It's
do
not
you
very
have-
expensive.
I was gonna say, do you have like this is we can go even further beyond, right? Like in terms of microscope quality.
Oh,
And
then
like
with
what
me
you
or
have
with
now.
other people?
Yeah. Right now, like what you're working with,
Um.
right? Like just in terms of like, let's say you like, can you buy a more expensive microscope that does more? That's what I'm
yes,
asking.
Yes.
Okay.
But hold on, guys. We're gonna go from the spore cell stage to the multicellular stage. So we're gonna take a little pause here, and I'm gonna get the next stage set up. I can increase the light with this here. Watch your eyes. There you go.
Watch your eyes.
And we can darken it for you guys for now, so you're not blinding. But Mason, yeah. So if you have any questions about biology, and I guess this is more. No, this is biology still. This isn't microbiology. We're looking at macro. Actually, no, these aren't really considered macro invertebrates. Microinvertebrates or microbes and macrobes, whatever they're called. Those are like things you can see with the naked eye.
Right.
But what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take a shed. Am I getting really quiet?
You're getting far away,
getting
but
far
you're
away.
good otherwise.
So we're gonna get a shed of algae from the local fish aquarium, which I happen to own.
Oh.
And we're gonna see what we can find. Where the hell did it go? Ah, it's right here. So, we got a very small piece of algae right here with us. It's gonna. Will you be talking about muntology next? Sure.
Hold on.
We can talk. We can dabble a little bit into that.
You know, Montology is good when the first result I look up when I look that up on is on Facebook.
It's on Facebook. Yes, Mason, can you look that up? I don't know these stuff.
Let's see.
No, but guys, this is really important to know for our genre of media. As so we kind of have our theme of being the wet ones, and you always want to know what's in your local bodies of water. So, for example, if you're taking a swim in a fish tank, you're gonna want to look out for. Watch your eyes. Oh, something like. So this is not what we want to see. We want to look at the actual body that we. Where is it? I can't find it. Should be right around here. There it is.
Whoa.
So here's a body of just algae we picked. And we're gonna see if we can find any little micro eukaryotes living in there. Oh, there's one.
It's hard. Oh, I see a little
We're gonna focus on a little more.
guy down there.
So guys, we've evolved from the first stage to the second stage of life, aka multicellular. Don't stop streaming until you found a tardigrade. That's such a good idea, actually. I don't know if this is a tardigrade.
24-hour stream.
I found
But
a tardigrade like one time in my entire time like because I kind of like examine my fish tank water a lot. I found like one tardigrade, which we can probably find one today. I also don't do this a lot.
Fair.
Now this isn't a tardigrade. This is known as a
Look at all those.
a plumbum octopus.
Look at all those multicellular organisms.
There's one right there. So we actually got two things in this image. We have this multicellular right here. Wait, hold on. Where is
I'm
that?
sorry. Is it multicellular? I just want to
No,
fact check.
it's actually not.
I was gonna say these are looking more like single-celled organisms right now.
I think this thing that's like you see this thing that's like freaking out right here?
Yeah.
Right down by the 64 micromolar.
Yeah. I see it.
That thing, I believe, is multicellular. It's just a giant cell.
Okay.
But you see, if we look at these like wavy, cool little strands of algae, let's be on the next exam. Yes, guys, you need. I forgot. I'm sorry. Thank you, Christopher, for reminding. Thank you, Christopher, for reminding everyone. Guys, take notes because your exam is next week.
And don't just take a picture of the board at the end of class.
Yeah, and so this is actually important stuff. Okay, so we can examine. Let's examine more of the life of the actual algae because we have some single-celled buddies here with us, but it's gonna be hard to find a really pretty one. So these, if I'm not mistaken, though, where are they at? Let me get a better view of them here. Well, there's those, but we'll zoom in a little bit more. These, I believe these cells that have their that have like it looks like green and then it has a little orange in the middle. Those, I believe, are some kind of immune cells for the plant. I don't know if plants have distinct immune cells per se though. But oh, whoa, this whole mass is moving right here. Look at this.
Could have fooled me.
I think it's actually alive. Well, against common belief, algae are alive. All plants are alive. Don't let your local pastor tell you otherwise. So we're gonna zoom in more. We're gonna try and get a good view of those single-celled. Not single-celled. We're gonna try and get a good view of those algae here. Wow. Wow. So I think we've zoomed in. See, you see those strands that are like shadowy? Those are the algae strands.
Really?
Oh, here they come! Here they come!
Look how close you are.
Oh my god!
Wait, it's moving. It's alive.
Dude, this is literally the new Destroyer of Worlds from the new Terraria game.
Look at that. Look at the way it moves.
So guys, make sure to write a little note. That's kind of an acronym I always use to memorize the algae, the free floating algal strands. Just call it the Destroyer of Worlds. If you say that on the test, I'll give you a free point.
Yeah. No, this is a bonus question.
It's a bonus question.
Hey guys.
What's up, Ian? So right now we're looking at some free-form algal masses here.
Oh, this thing looks fucked up. What is this?
This is the Eater of Worlds, currently moving through the water.
How's that song go?
So look at him just like chilling by. Like he's just floating by. As you guys can see, he's green because why?
Because it has green cells. No, I don't. I forget.
Because it ate too much salad.
No,
okay, that is true, guys. But the other answer is that it has this thing called chlorophyll in it.
Yeah,
that absorbs the sunlight.
I know. I was gonna say it has a lot. It's to do with light and
that's right.
And light refraction and the way that the contents of the plant is what makes it green. I know that.
Now, guys, an interesting thing about these algal masses is they do relate to something we were talking about earlier, and they're called they are protists. They're not plants. they fall in that same family of single-celled things. They're just
So-
they're just all connected to each other.
So is this like a silent protest or like what kind of protest?
I would say this
the-
is more.
This is more of an active.
This is more of an
because
active.
look at the way that they're moving.
Yeah. Let me measure. Let me get the landscape measured out.
Oh, we've reached the end.
We've reached the end of the algal life form here.
So let me ask you a real question:
course.
Is this like a strand of algae right now, or is this like a
This
cell of a strand of algae?
no, this is a strand of various cells connected to each other of algae.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna take a different look. Let's zoom out a little bit. Watch your eyes. Sorry, I forgot to say that again. We're gonna go to the max light here. Oh my goodness. Let's see what we can find.
So are we looking at like an indica or like a sativa sample?
This is sativa. 100%. Let's see if we can find a little tardigrade floating around.
So, again, just so I personally
say that.
understand, and we're in case the class has the same question.
Uh-huh.
So, what we were just looking at, is that what these little strands are sticking out right now?
Yes.
Is that what we were looking at? Okay.
Yeah, no, these are just strands of algae formed together in a symbiotic
moving.
manner. Well, not symbiotic. We're gonna see what we can find. Oh. Now let's see what's in this image here. We got just a lot more plant growth. So not too much life going on here besides algae.
Yeah.
Damn.
There is that little guy. They do look like grass.
Yep.
Are you majoring biology? I'm majoring in molecular medical microbiology science. No, I'm kidding. So this is interesting what we got over here. We have. Can I like? I wish I could have like a cursor or something. Because I don't think you guys can see. Draw arrow annotation. Wait, what? Whoa!
Oh. Wait, where's my stream?
That is
Oh,
awesome.
here we go.
We're gonna get rid of some of these there. So
You got arrows.
I got arrows.
It's perfect. No, it's perfect.
Nice.
It's actually really helpful.
I like how it's like super, like not the good color for this at all.
Yeah, it's like
Um,
bright neon green. Can't see anything.
So we got this guy down here. Now, I don't know necessarily what he is, what he might be.
I don't know why that was funny. I'm sorry.
No, it's fine.
That's what they said when I was born.
Some kind of like thing. over
some
here.
kind of freak.
Like the Willem Dafoe clip, like he's gay, but he has a
He's
certain connection with classical music.
Yeah.
Really interesting guy.
and we're pumping through the slides right now, guys. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna do a little smear. A little smear on
Better respect the schmear.
the schmear. We're gonna do a smear on, and we're gonna find this tardigrade for Guy Sanders who
You
requested it.
can't say that.
Tardigrade?
You can't say that.
Tardigrade? Why?
Never
What?
mind. Never
Tardigrade?
mind. No,
That's a guy for real.
But the wet ones are canceled in 6 months.
That's a real guy though.
So where should we take water from, everyone? Should we do it near the filter where there's a lot of biomass? Or should we take it from the middle of the body of water of the fish tank?
We want the amount.
I was
We want
gonna
the
ask,
quantity
can you
of
just like
biomass.
spit into the plate and just see what's up?
Do you want me to do that?
That was just a thought.
Kinda. Can we get the Jatari sperm sample?
That would be insane. That's kind of a
That'd
kind
be
of an
so
off.
funny. Just pulled this out of my fish tank and it's just a bunch of your cum.
You gotta Well, we'll see that one over off stream.
I was like, guys, if
Let's
you
see how
want to
that
go on
goes.
our Patreon, and we'll be showing you that. I can't. I don't.
We'll be seeing which of the 3 wet ones has the highest sperm count.
Mm-hmm. So right here, we're just gonna smush this droplet or 2 of water on the slide. I don't really like using these for water samples because I have actual water slides that have a little curve in them to hold water. Watch your eyes. But you know, it's okay. So here we got just a smear of water, and we're gonna see. I want to clean that up a little bit though, just so it'll be fine. Actually, I don't know if it will. It's a lot of water. Shit, it's gonna like fall off the sides. Excuse me. Now how?
Do you want to put my Roblox gameplay up there?
We actually should do that. Class. Everyone in class today, do you think you would learn better? Oh wait, it's because I have 2 slides on it. Apologies, everyone. But class, do you think you would learn better if we held a video game up? I know a lot of my students learn better when they have entertainment as well. I try to keep classes interactive as possible. So this sample here is straight from, whoa.
Pulls out pocket mortar.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm in my own little world over here.
Okay, Guy Sanders wants Family Guy moments.
That's actually
Actually, a good idea.
pretty good idea. Where do we get blocked?
Here's a straight piece of algae we found in our filter.
dude. That's how you get a red dot on your forehead through your window.
Oh, okay.
Now we're gonna follow the money and see where it goes with this thing right here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's in 40 times. That's in 10 times already. So, Fox might whoop you. Yeah, really. So let's see.
This stream is making me hungry. Like, really hungry. Not gonna lie.
Is it actually?
I low-key want to eat some.
Bro wants to eat a microbe.
I want to eat some microbes that are present in the bread that we eat. That come from the yeast.
Oh wow, look at that.
Now this doesn't look like anything good. If anything, this looks more like a phallic, if I put it in simple terms. But what I think this might be is... Actually, I have no clue. Washed up biology.
Justin, it's out of focus.
Yeah, I know.
I'm sorry, I'm just not sure.
It's like when you're like trying to tell the teacher and he's like, I know!
I am streaming on Discord for Roblox gameplay. If you want to put it up there.
Justin, can you do the black and white sepia tone filter for a second? Just so I can see what that looks like.
Wait, which one?
The go over right 3. You see the all black
This
and,
one?
Yeah, binary.
Dude,
yeah,
I don't
yeah,
even
yeah.
know how to use this one.
Whoa.
This is like a creepypasta.
This is single-celled-organism.exe. This is crazy.
Now this looks like this is like the man in the suit creepypasta.
This
We're gonna
looks
disable
kinda like
that. Now, I'm gonna take my fish and we're gonna
We're gonna lay him out.
lay
We're
him
gonna-
out, fillet
If I
him.
were to chop him up in a meat grinder,
How do you observe? I guess you just take a dead fish. I don't know. Do you get like scales from a fish? Is that
If you want to observe the fish.
yeah?
I don't know. I've never cut up a fish before and did it.
Well, yeah.
Guys, slide up in chat if you want to see that next stream. Now here we have this is called the microbiology bunny, and these are actually really rare creatures. Can you move the green arrow? I don't know what I'm supposed to be looking at. Of course. Here we have actually I'm gonna keep it because I'll do this. I'll make it easier. We'll put the green arrow like in. Oh. No, it's flipped.
What's that? You can move it. You can move it around. Maybe. Yeah. You can drag the pointer. Yeah, there you go. That's.
You know how like the
perfect,
microscopes in
man.
actual class have like that arrow on them.
I don't do this, so. I
You
would.
did.
Oh, you're moving it to the center. Okay, I see what you're doing.
So everyone, here we have this is called the micro bunny, and they just kind of stand dormant. They
it
are
alive?
really interesting. They're not alive, but they're basically the equivalent of a dust bunny, but just in the microorganism level.
I'm sorry. I thought you were joking. Are you?
No, asshole.
No, you're not. I'm sorry. You're right. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Let me teach the class.
Okay, you're right. I'm sorry. I don't know what I was trying to do.
Do you want to come
I don't know what I
up?
was
Here,
thinking.
do you want to come up on the whiteboard and
No,
solve the
sir.
equation?
No, I'm okay. I was just whatever.
Now,
Get out my class.
get up, get the fuck up, get up, my class. It's a bunny wabbit. But yeah, so these are called redacted.
What are they called?
Sesame seeds on the bird.
These are the microbiology sesame seeds, and they're actually really interesting as they
I don't have time to explain any of that, but it's really
yeah,
interesting.
it's really interesting stuff. Dude, I really need to find like a good sample to find a tardigrade for Mr. Guy.
Where are they common?
I'm trying
Where are
to
they
think.
most common?
To be honest, the reason I used to see them a lot also though is because actually earlier I said I never saw them, but the reason I was able to find them a lot is because my old fish tank had a lot of algae and gross stuff in it, but I came home from college and I cleaned it. So let's see what we can gather from you know what?
Moist environments. That's what I'm seeing.
I know.
Can you?
I know.
I know it's difficult for the untrained eye to spot those tardigrades, but as a microbiology studier, I know you can spot them pretty easily, Justin. So, just let us know if you see anything interesting.
I know what
From
we should
your-
do right now though. We're gonna
What's
get a little fun informatic up on the top screen. How do I do that? How will I go about this though?
What?
How will I go about doing that though?
Doing what?
Having like streaming.
Ian's not streaming.
Oh, okay, well, never mind.
He's muted,
Oh,
actually.
I can stream.
Well, let's try and see if we can do that, guys. Because you
Well,
would
like,
prefer.
pop it out on Discord and put the window over.
Oh, true.
I'm pretty sure you can do picture in picture.
I don't know how to do it through like OBS. That's a Mason question.
I'll figure it out.
Oh, dude, you're just leaking everything right now.
Yeah, it does.
Ah!
No, he's not because he's sharing the window.
Oh, you're
right?
sharing on Discord.
He's sharing his
Oh no, you're
microscope
good
window.
on stream actually.
Yeah, he's fine.
Oh wait, so like it's not gonna. You need a picture in picture then.
He needs to set up a new region. He needs to set up a new source with the picture in picture
Yeah.
open.
That's easy.
So
That's easy for
yeah.
a guy like me.
okay, yeah. There you go.
We've seen this sort of thing before.
We've seen Stranger Things.
I wish the only gripe I have with, and this might be, may just be dumb, but I wish you could preview what your stream is gonna look like before you actually, like I wish there was like a way that you could preview let's say, Justin, you know how it works with like you have your scenes where, you know, there's a scene for this thing, and then you switch to a different scene, and it has all these other things set up. You know what I'm talking about? I wish there was a way that you could preview, have your stream be one scene, but then be working on another scene, while that other one is, you know, happening.
I know what you mean.
Just so you can get everything set up while it's happening, or get everything set up and then switch to the scene after everything's set up without having to show everything on the scene while you're doing it.
Well, how does this look right here? How about that?
That looks pretty good. It's a little bit big.
I mean, it's fun. There's enough room for the biology to make its way in.
Yeah, that's true.
I think it's good to have a mix of both. It's kind of like a best of both worlds situation.
Yeah.
Wait, what are you looking at? Oh, okay. On the actual.
I was maybe he's right. Try it in the bottom left.
I think bottom left is like where it should live.
Yeah. Because there's not a lot going on down there.
I'd really like in the bottom left.
Would you guys really like that? If I did that?
Yes.
I'd really like that a lot in the bottom left.
I can do that for you guys.
Are you able to crop it too? I don't know if I'm being too.
Nah, yeah, I can. No, I can't. Guys, we're not professionals. Wait. I probably can, I don't know. Nah, just like whenever I do that, it makes it smaller. Oh, bottom left.
I was gonna say, hold up your L's.
I can't do that. Yeah, I don't know how to crop it.
Well, you did a great job, anyways.
Thanks, guys.
With what you were given, and I'm really proud of you.
Guys, I ate and left no crumbs behind. What do you guys think?
Okay. So Justin, let me ask you, what are you collecting? What samples are you collecting at the moment?
So right now, we're getting a little bit of I call these dirty samples. Watch your eyes, folks. These are samples that are gonna come from the dirtiest parts of the fish tank.
Ooh.
Okay.
And we're gonna see what we can find. Like Hamilton, like what's his name? Not Hamilton.
Whoa. That's
It's nothing.
what? Nothing?
Now this is where we're really gonna find some life, and this slurry of life and
Great wonder.
man, what was
Look
that?
at those floating square things.
See, I like these square things. I don't know what they are.
Yeah, there's cinnamon toast crunch in the
Oh, whoa.
in the fish tank. It's my favorite.
There we go right here.
Yep.
Whoa, was that Bismuth?
Yo, we got 8 viewers. That's freaking good.
Welcome everyone to the
What's up, 8 viewers?
what's up, hey viewers? Everyone, please get out your pen and paper. This is on the test. So we're basically
Hope you're all
doing.
taking notes.
Do they eat each other? They can. It's kind of like Spore, where you eat much smaller things than yourself. I mean, a lot of them will absorb stuff through their skin, or they will phagocytize other cells. Now we can't find too many I haven't found a single, like, big microorganism. There's one right there.
Oh.
It's, as you can see though, it's moving through the body right there.
Mm-hmm.
Now those, I used to know what they were called. Those are, well, let's just call those the microbiology worm.
Okay.
We're kind of gonna follow him around. He's moving a lot, but he's not moving as much as those little guys we were looking at earlier.
Yeah. Look at the
he's
like
pretty
worm-shaped
cool.
ones.
What?
There's those worm, like, well, I guess they're all kind of worm-shaped.
Whoa!
But some of
What
them are
the
bigger.
heck is that?
What?
There's a big thing
Oh,
moving in there.
whoa! What is
Yeah.
that?
That's a fish, I think.
That
It
is
looks
a
like crazy.
fish.
It looks like crazy frog swimming animation.
I have no clue what that is moving inside of that right there. That looks like some kind of crazy dragon worm. We're gonna go into 40 times here, folks. Watch your eyes, and we're gonna see what we can find. We might lose it though, unfortunately. Let's see. I'm just trying to follow the money and see where it goes, though. I can't do much about it. We're zooming in, we're zooming in. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I think we're too zoomed in at this point where we won't see any of those big worm things.
I had a question, Professor.
Yeah, yes, Mr.
Um,
Mr. Pacnano.
Do you think that? Well, actually, my real question is, what were those bunch of like black specks before you zoomed in more?
I think that might just be general debris on the lens.
Okay.
It's like stuck on it. Yeah, I don't think it's anything.
Okay. Just curious.
Good question though. So yeah, at this we don't get
Stage?
too much. At this stage, yes. We get a lot of, we don't get too much, overhead of those big worms that we saw earlier because they are too big.
Right.
We can see the mass moving here, which might be because it's being eaten by another spore.
Spore?
Which is very sad to think. So.
You know I love Spore though.
Horror is pretty great.
Do Titanic's pools still have water? How is that possible?
The Titanic Neural?
There's a new update for Risky Brain.
Is there actually?
Yeah, they added, I think, a new map. I don't know if there's multiple, but
When? Today?
yeah.
What am I doing on Roblox all day? What the?
Well,
I
yeah,
don't know, but I think we should play after.
I think we should too.
After our very compelling
Wait.
biology.
We got work tomorrow.
I was gonna, dude. It's 9:30 already, dude.
Oh,
I'm going to bed after this.
I'm off, so I'm sorry. Sorry, my bad. Whatever.
I say, well.
I'm gonna try take 2, tasing my dick to see if there's a bone in it,
Oh, what? Wait, what?
and then I'm going to bed, man.
I know. Relax.
So yeah, as you guys can see, there's a looming dragon underneath this spore here. I can't get a good view of him though. I don't know how we can kind of we would have to like separate this specimen to examine him, but he is huge. If anything though, what they teach you in college, is if you don't want to find something, don't keep digging. The more you dig to look for something, the more you're gonna find what you don't want to see. Like if
They
anything,
didn't tell me that in Hustler University.
this organism, whatever is here, it could be just like spasming plant cells or some kind of dragon worm. It looks like an embryo of some sort, like an early stage body of some sort. Like for example, a flea and a human look the same whenever they're in their first stages. The A10 warhog shoots too long, it falls out of the sky due to lack of lift. That's insane. Let's see, we got Mr. 453. We have the War Thunder stream in the works. Don't worry. Now, what we
Yeah,
can
we
do
were
here,
just figuring out the sponsors and like logistics and stuff.
Yeah.
what we can do here, guys, is we can negative this image and see. Yeah, look at that. It's,
Oh,
Now
you can see.
that is
no,
a
it's
view.
negative.
Oh wait, it's out! It's out! It's out! It's out!
He's coming out. He's coming out. He's coming out. Down, down, down.
What is that thing?
There it is. There it is. He's going crazy, man. He's feasting.
Holy
Oh my
crap.
gosh, dude! What if this new species? What are you gonna name it?
I think this might be the wet oneian. It looks like it has.
the wet one is.
It's like it's gnawing through the plant matter with its sizers in the front. Do you guys see those sizers?
I see that. I see his two flagellum
looks-
too.
It looks almost like a Pokemon.
Is this a miniature frog?
I don't even know. It's a
It
baby.
looks like it has some eyes or something.
Yeah, I have no clue what this is. This is actually really interesting, unironically. Like, no jokes aside. I have no clue what this thing is. But, I mean, because it's going back in the plant to eat more. So if we negative it, yeah, you can tell it's like a different thing altogether. It's got a different, whatever. It could be, I don't
Wow.
know what.
And this is a sample of your sperm?
Yes, this was from,
That's
this
crazy.
thing was inside my body just wrecking havoc like it is in this plant.
Minutes ago, yeah.
I have no clue what we could be staring at here, folks. This could be the new species, and if it is, I think we should rename it after our YouTube channel. He's just hungry. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Yeah, I mean, he's just going to town though. He's eating away matter. He's gaining plant cells and exchanging it for transferring it into microcarbons to eventually release into the atmosphere as CO2 and fueling his mitochondria to create that to transfer his oxygen he's gaining into. Oh, he's moving. He's on. No, he's not. He's just standing still. Well, he's not standing still. He's moving a lot. What we're gonna do, everyone, is we're gonna put this on the Wet Ones Reddit, and hopefully we can get some professional biologists.
Professional
out there.
opinions on
Engagement
this.
from some real microbiologists.
No, this is not actually sperm.
No. I would.
That was a joke.
I would start like sweating if this was actually inside of one of us. Because this is not good. This wasn't my fish tank though, so my fish are not.
Gotta watch out, man.
Yeah, they're gonna like get. This guy looks like he could do some crazy damage to the fish body. So yeah, I'm really curious to know more about this. I think we could end stream on this climax though, because we found a new species. We didn't find any water bears for Guy Sanders. I apologize, but you know, guys, just make sure you're taking notes. Take notes.
Stay hustling.
Stay hustling. The test is on next. Well, I'll give you a week. We'll do it on Monday. So you can study.
Review session.
Yeah, so you can
Review
study
session?
over the weekend. Well, yeah. Well, I guess I'll do an online review session because I have my wife's
got your
anniversary.
hands full.
Yeah, my wife's
Yeah,
anniversary
no.
is this coming weekend. So are the bears Russian? They are of Russian origin.
This guy is crazy. I'm just gonna say.
I'll say this guy is really interesting though. I'll say Guy Sanders. Does this cover for finding the tardigrade? This specimen here is. Oh god, not another test. I'm sorry. Wait, you're married? Yeah, dude.
That's why we don't stream very much.
Old ball and
We're
chain.
back. We're freeing up these days. So,
So there's another microorganism right below it. He's
I'm
attacking
gonna
it.
eat it.
He's attacking that. You see that little guy below him? Oh no, that's just
Yeah.
I think that's just some kind of cell. But he's like trying to just get stuff into those sizes right there.
Is he stuck? That's what I'm.
I think
concerned.
I think he's stuck.
Oh.
But I really don't.
Free him. Free my boy. He ain't done nothing.
I don't think I want to release this man anywhere. I think I'm gonna put this in the incinerator in my garage.
Put him away for good.
Um,
Married to the game.
Just drop him outside in the grass and just.
and see what happens. I start like the virus that begins the Planet of the Apes or whatever that like series.
Yeah.
Like what was that? What was the
Immediately like a range of like death, like the grass dies in a circle around it.
No, but we are. I'm gonna
Yeah,
actually
but-
figure out what this is. This is really cool.
He's a aquatic based life form, I guess, right?
Yes.
Free until it's backwards.
Yeah, swallow this.
Now we're gonna do something.
Please swallow this guy.
Dude, if you eat this, it'll grow for 9 months and come out like an alien. In the movie Alien.
I say I'm recording this right now on a separate software. We're gonna try and see if any molecular.
What if you win a Nobel Prize for this?
He's a. I don't even know what is this guy.
I don't know. But he is not very smart because he's stuck between these 2 planes.
Yeah, I mean he's not like us, so nothing to be afraid of.
Alright, fine. Wait, y'all. Wait,
He's nothing like
wait. Are you guys actually gonna send me $20?
$20 super chat, and we'll eat it.
Wait, he escaped.
Oh, he did make it out.
He's breached containment.
Yes.
SCP-4022 is escaping containment of the plant matrix containment center we have him in. Oh, he is just eating his way through there. Oh yeah, look
Look
how
at
much
him.
he was.
Look at him go, man. Look at him go.
Yeah, well now he's like behind a lot of matter, so it's gonna be hard to get a good look. So I think we'll end it there, everybody.
We got a great look at him now.
So everyone,
He was showing off for us, actually.
everyone, make sure you take notes on the wet one-ian. This is gonna be we're gonna have you guys write like a short answer. This is gonna be everything else is true and false and multiple choice. This will be the short answer question, so it'll be simple. You'll be able to understand it once you get to it. But so yeah, that's the stream, everybody. That's the biology stream. I hope you had a good time. Hopefully, we didn't just start World War Z. With the brain-eating amoebas. And yeah, that's about it.
That's gonna be the guy to get bit and not tell anybody.
I am the type of guy that get bitten. That's
This guy's awesome.
Guys, if
I love
you-
this.
no, yeah. I mean, it's really interesting stuff. So, do you guys have any closing thoughts or statements?
I love biology.
No, but everybody just make sure you read the next chapter in the textbook.
Yes,
And
very important. I'll say
you will see this guy
Yes.
eventually in the textbook, so just pay close attention.
Well, we discovered
and,
it.
well, yeah, I mean we're retrofitting the textbook to work
Oh,
around this
true.
discovery, so
Make sure you're doing Gizmo number 57.
yeah, all that stuff, it's all good. Yeah, no, I'm glad. I want to do another one of these. I think this is genuinely like
I'll say
it's making me want to like go outside and like collect things to give to you to put under the
dude, I'd
microscope.
be so down.
You know?
Samples from your body, like whatever.
I would give you a sample from my butt.
Here's what I'm curious, guys. Is it NSFW to post us looking
Probably-
at sperm under a microscope?
No, it's educational. It's educational.
It is educational.
Now, if you like jerked off on stream and then we're like, okay,
Time to
here it is.
go.
But if you had like if this was a
Unspecified, yeah.
an unspecified amount of
Sample.
age
Yeah.
sample. I also think it'd be funny to be looking at sperm cells and be like,
It would be
yeah,
really.
so like we're analyzing like my dog's poop. Or like, or like this water from my fish tank.
Oh man,
I'm leaking. I'm leaking. Our
I'm
joke.
having a great time. So maybe expect another one of these because this is mad interesting.
I'm glad you guys
I just-
enjoyed it.
I like playing
I hope-
Roblox.
I hope the chat enjoyed it also.
I'll say, Chad, let us know if you enjoyed it. Let us know in the comment section down below on the stream or the.
Yeah.
Let us know in the chat before you head out if you liked it or not. We'll try and do another one of these. Maybe we'll make a post on our thing and say should we do another one of these, or we'll do what kind of streams you want to see, and we'll just leave it up to the complete comment section. Whatever you guys throw in there, we'll do. 'Cause
Yeah.
it was life changing.
It was life changing.
Loved it, dude. I'm glad to hear it.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna great stream. Thank you, Top
Thanks,
student
thanks,
right there,
thanks, Christopher Lydon.
top student. Well, yeah, I'm glad you
You
guys all
guys-
came out.
Wow, he doesn't even know what the heck he's doing, and he loved it. They, he or she. Or
That
they.
hit me.
No, but yeah,
That was a
we'll.
good one.
I don't know if the four of us know when we'll stream next, because we kind of knew we were gonna stream tonight from yesterday's stream. We have some stuff in the works, like we were talking about yesterday, so keep an eye out for that. Videos in the works, whether we're gonna stream Terraria in the works or upload those streams, those VODs, like shortened down.
We don't know what we're doing, but we have an idea.
We have an idea.
ideas of what we're doing. So
But yeah,
Whatever it is, the content is pumping.
kind of.
Kind of. The ideas are pumping.
The ideas are flowing.
the ideas are very much coming out and flowing.
The ideas are like almost gurgling. In
Ex-
The ideal
expressing
balloon is
themselves.
ready to burst.
Yes.
Mhm, mhm.
Wait,
So
did I just find like a portal? What is that?
wait, what?
Wait, before we close, what is this thing?
Ooh,
Is that the portal?
super-
This is like a portal to the quantum realm. Wait, hold on.
Oh, he's not so
What
good.
portal? What are you talking about? That square thing right there?
Yeah, it kind of looks like a portal.
I
That's
don't know
Go-
what that is.
Go in it.
Let's
gonna
go
say-
inside!
If it looks like a portal, watch your eyes.
Dude, Justin's gonna be on Honey I Shrunk the Kids.
Isn't that basically what Ant-Man, what his daughter is? Honey, I
It's
Shrunk
Yeah.
the Kids.
He does say, honey, I shrunk our daughter.
myself. Well, is
There
that
it
about it from us today?
Yeah, that's about it, guys. We're about to go into the quantum realm, so before we do, we're gonna get going. We'll see y'all later.
See you
We'll
later.
See you guys soon.
God bless
Take
our
care.
troops.